about to get a quick workout in. I think I'm gonna do a full body workout today. So I'll probably take you guys along and show you a couple of these workouts that I'm gonna do. And yeah, should be a fun Saturday. I'll just show you guys what I'm wearing really quick. Just Buff Bunny leggings and another Buff Bunny sports bra too. And just this old ratty tank top. But I think it looks kind of cute. Let's get started with this workout. Alright, so I realized I did not even intro this video, but what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Naja Nicole, and I'm bringing you guys a full body workout today. As you can see here, I just started off my workout with some cardio, just some quick steady state cardio. I did this for about 30 minutes just to get the blood circulating and to warm up my legs, because this is going to be more of a leg heavy full body workout, but also still working in some upper body and abs as well. Next, I moved on over to the squat rack to do my normal 3 sets of 10 reps of squats. I like to start off with weight that's challenging but not too light or too heavy, so I just put 25 pounds on both ends. And usually if I'm doing a leg heavy day, I will work my way up to 45 pounds on each end. But today I just wanted to, warm up my glutes and hamstrings and just the entire leg, just to get into some of these combination movements for the rest of the workout. Next, I moved into one of my favorite combo exercises where I'm just combining a narrow squat with an RDL. It's just a quick, simple movement that hits both the quads and hamstrings as well as glutes, so just full lower body there. And I think this is the easiest way to come up with these full body workouts, is to just pick a maximum of 3 movements in one and try to organize it into hitting multiple different muscle groups at the same time. So in this next movement, I'm here hitting lower body and upper body at the same time with a backwards lunge combined with a single hand shoulder press. And with this one, it's super easy to lose your balance, so definitely when you're doing this, do an opposite leg to opposite arm to kind of keep your balance in the center so that you don't tip over, because I've done that many times and it's not fun. Next, I just moved on to try to hit some arms a little bit. I don't really like to do my arms too much because my arms get really pumped up and build super fast. So here I'm just doing some upright tricep extension with the dumbbells, just doing about 3 sets of 8 with the lightest weight possible, just to get that quick little burnout there. Then I jumped right on into some shoulder raises just to get the shoulders burning. I love that shoulder burn so much. It makes me feel like I'm actually doing something with my upper body. Usually my upper body is super weak. Then after that, I just hopped right back on into the same motion from earlier with the back lunge to shoulder press, because it felt oh so good to get that done. And at this point, I was so exhausted. My legs were borderline shaking. But when you're at the last leg of your workout, you just gotta get it over with and get the last circuit done. So with this next circuit, I just did a lot of body weight combination workouts, very plyometric style. So just went into these alternating jumping lunges into a squat. I did this for about 3 sets of 10. Then I worked in some dumbbell back rows. Another way that I could have done this that I like to do sometimes is to do a plank with a row as well. Probably show that to you guys on another day. Finally, I finished off with this one workout that always gets me sweating, which is the backwards lunge to a step up. And this is definitely gonna get your heart rate pumping while you're getting ready to end the workout, so it's a good finisher for sure. But then you can't forget abs, so I added in these bear crawl planks, where you just alternate between a full length plank into a bent knee bear plank, which I definitely felt the burn for sure, and I was crawling at the end of this. As you can see, I'm done and I'm about to head back home. Let me know what you guys thought of this workout in the comment section below. And yeah, make sure to subscribe because there'll be more to come.